Hello everyone, welcome to Vedantu guys. So today I am going to discuss about the very important question of integration guys, and the question is what? Question is I is equal to, we can write here the limit is 0 tends to pi by 2 and cos to the power 4x dx, right? This is the question guys, and we can write it as cos square x whole square, right? Okay, cos square x whole square dx. And what we can write here guys, we can write it as we can write it as the cos square x whole square is equal to, we know that one formula guys, cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2, right? So now we are going to put this formula in the given statement guys, right? So we can put here, so what we can write here, we can write here cos square x whole square equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2 whole square, right? Okay, and the limit 0 tends to pi by 2. Now I am going to open the bracket, then after doing the square we can take the common 1 by 4, and we can write here the 1 square 1 plus 2 cos 2x plus cos square 2x dx, right? Are you getting my points guys? Now we can write here 0 tends to pi by 2, okay? And once again we can apply the cos square 2x is equal to what? And you can compare the both the angle guys, here the x, then it will be the cos 2x, and here the 2x, then we can write here the cos 2x cos square 2x equal to 1 by cos 4x by 2, right? So now I am going to apply once again the formula guys. So we can write here the 1 plus 2 cos 2x plus, what we can write here guys, we can write here 1 plus cos square 4x, sorry guys, 1 plus cos 4x by what will be the answer guys, 4x by 2 dx, right? Are you getting my points guys? Now what we can write here, and after taking this here is 1 by 4 guys, and after taking the LCM we can write, and we can write the 1 by 8 guys and 0 by 2, and after the taking the LCM we can write here the 2, it will become 1 become 2 guys, right? 2 plus 4 cos 2x plus 1 plus cos 4x dx, right? Are you getting my points guys? Now we can add the term 1 by 8, the limit is 0 tends to pi by 2. Now we can write here 2 plus, what we can write here, 2 plus 1 is equal to, we can directly write it as 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 plus 4 cos 2x plus cos 4x dx, okay, right guys? So it is in the simple form for the integration guys. So now I am going to find out the integration of given function. So I is equal to, we can write here the 1 by 8 and the limit is 0 tends to pi by 2, and first one at first 3 plus 4 cos 2x plus, we can write here, what we can write here guys, we can write here cos 4x dx. So we have to find out the integration of this function. So now I am going to integrate. So we know that the one integration of 1 equal to x, so integration of 3 equal to 3x, plus we can write here the 4 integration of cos x equal to sin x. So cos 2x equal to, we can write here sin 2x by 2, and it will become the cos 4x by 4, right? And the limit is 0 tends to pi by 2. Now I am going to put, and we can cancel on this term 2 by 2, and I is equal to, we can write here 1 by 4, and now I can put the limit, and we can write here the 3 into pi by 2, and plus we can write here 2 into sine 2x. So we can directly write here the pi by 2 instead of x, plus here once again we can write here 4 into pi by 2 guys, right, minus, now I am going to put the 0 guys instead of x, so 3 into 0 plus 2 into sine 0 plus cos 0, and all term become the negative guys after multiplying the minus sign. So we can write here the minus guys, so minus 2 sine 0 and minus cos 0, right? Okay, so I equal to, we can write here, what we can write here guys, I equal to, after dividing you will get the value what, pi, it will become pi sine pi, and it will become sine 2 pi, right? Okay guys, so sorry guys, here is a sine 4 pi, okay, so sine 4 pi, okay, because we know that the integration of sine cos 4 pi is equal to, we can write here the sine 4 pi, so sine 4 pi guys, right? Okay, and here is also the sine 0. Okay guys, are you getting my points? So sine 0. Okay, and we know that the value, what will be the value guys, 1 by 8 into 3 into pi by 2, okay, are you getting? And now you can write here the 2 sine pi is equal to, you can write here, this is the very simple guys, you can write here, we know that the value of sine pi is equal to 0, sine 2 pi is also 0, so we can write here this term 0 plus 0 plus minus 0 minus 0 minus 0, so all term becomes the 0 except 3 pi by 2. So now I can multiply with the 3 pi by 2 into 1 by 8, and after multiplying we will get the value 3 pi by 16. So it will be the correct answer for this the question guys. So thank you.